In today's video, we'll be looking at the midweek analysis to make us understand which direction we are to take in the market and how to use that in our Hola Prime trading account. So without wasting time, the midweek analysis, we are going to start with gold. All right. Remember, when you are trading, always start from the higher time frame to gauge the direction of the market. We have price pushing higher. We have the all-time high here. When the lower time frame gives me a confirmation, we can take that high. So nothing interesting on the monthly, aside from saying that the market is still very bullish. Now, when you go to the weekly time frame, we created two areas of resistance. The first one is here, and the second one is here. All right, so currently price is at the weekly resistance there. So as usual, you expect a reaction from there. So going to the daily, if this market wants to go bearish, I would like to see a bearish candle, and then we have to make sure that the resistance is respected. From there, we can go lower. All right. But if not, if today closes bullish, then it signals to us that we want to push higher. So I'm going to stay for today to close. Whatever the closure is will determine if I'm to continue pushing, because obviously the market is bullish 100%, but this is area of resistance. And when you are trading, you don't have to buy at resistance. Wait for that resistance to give way in terms of a break and a retest. So that is what I'm explaining here. Then the 4 hour, if you go to the 4 hour, you can see price is ranging here. What it means is that orders are being built. There are different orders are coming in, and how to buy order, sell order, buy limit order, sell limit order. They are all stuck within here. So this area is not a good area you should get yourself involved in. You can wait for a clear break and then push higher, or a clear break below and push lower. Okay. So this is my outlook on gold. And by the way, if you don't know what Hola Prime is simply a prop account where they give you funds to trade, and when you make money, you stand to gain up to 95% of profit share. So I've done videos on Hola Prime. I'm going to put the link in the description. I'm going to put the link in the description of this video for you to take a look at Hola Prime. Hola Prime, for me, is a good prop account to use. As you all know, I don't use prop firm. I don't promote them. But for me to sit here and promote Hola Prime, that means they actually have what I like as a prop account. So one of the reasons is that they pay out within 1 hour, and also they are regulated. It's the regulation that is my number one priority. So let's take a look at their website really quick. So taking a look at the website here, this is Hola Prime. When you click the link in the description, it will take you to this place. And then you can see we are traders. We live the same battles you do and build solutions that truly help you succeed. That is a nice line. I like that. So when you go down here, you can see 1 hour payout. This is what they brag about. And when you have good thing, you have to brag about it. So they have Forex, they have futures. And for me, I'm into Forex trading. So this is what I would recommend. But if you are a future trader, this one is for you. Then when you come down, you're going to see different things that make them tick. On-demand payout whenever you want. Express instant access to your end reward. When you need it, you tell them, they'll pay you, and to be within 1 hour. There's daily transparency report, and then we have free mentorship for you. So for me, when you go down, is regulation. Okay, because the prop firm industry is very scary, and if you have a prop firm that is regulated, it is something. So my urge for Hola Prime is for them to get more regulations in EU, Australia, and then other countries like that. That's my recommendation for them. So when you go to the footer of the website, you're going to see where they are regulated. So let's go back to our analysis. So the next one I'm going to analyze is NAS. NAS 100. On the weekly, we are bullish here, and we are already close to our destination. We are close to the destination. So you have these few pips to that level. So as you can see, we have few pips to that level. When you get there, that is your profit target. What I will do is I will observe this. If this level get taken, we continue going higher and printing all-time high. From the look of things, I'm expecting a new all-time high to be printed. As you can see, it is not as easy as it looks because we have roadblocks. You need to understand what roadblocks are. Roadblocks are simply obstacles that prevent you from getting to your target. All right. The target is all-time high, but we have this roadblock, which you need to pay attention to as a trader because this is area of resistance. Okay. So how do we approach that level? If price can give me a trade down here, if you can get a trade back down, you can push it up. All right. US 30 next. As you can see, most of the US indices are pushing higher. Now, one way you can easily get a target, you can see US 30 is passing, is breaking, is resistant. Same thing might happen with US NAS 100. Okay. So sometimes I use that to gauge. As you can see, we are all bullish. Going to the daily now. We've broken above that. So a break and retest. Yeah. Once price straight back in here, this is where you want to be taking your trades. All right. To move to the upside. So from here, we target up. Then the last one here for the week. Tomorrow I'm going to make a new analysis. Okay. So monthly here is bullish. On the weekly time frame, this will be a quick one. I should be doing this quick analysis for you, at least weekly analysis once a week or twice a week. Let me know what you need in the comment section. So the weekly, you can see price pushing higher. So we simply have to position ourselves as a buyer. There's no need for you to look for a bearish trade here at all. No need for you to look for a bearish trade. Instead, wait for price to give you a nice pullback to this area, and then you buy. If you want a quick day trading areas to buy from, your first target will be, yeah, this will be the first place you want the price to respect. There are other ways I get my confirmations, yeah, but this is a nice place you start looking at. Then if you have your own way of confirming, try to get the confirmation there. If it takes it out, comes back down, yeah, you buy, because there's no reason for you to look for a sell trade based on the opening price trading strategy. All right. So on this note, I feel this will help you for the remaining of the week and also for next week, because most of these directions have not yet changed. The direction bias on the pairs I've looked at have not changed. So if you want to learn more, make sure you subscribe to my channel, share this video, like, and also if you are looking for a prop firm to use to build your capital, Hola Prime is the firm for you. On that note, I'll see you later. Bye bye.